This is Jason Artley. I'm a Senior Technical Specialist here at ATG, here to show you a tip about Infraworks. Now, Infraworks is a great preliminary design software from Autodesk that will allow you to quickly make models. And what it's going to do is it's going to go find Bing aerial imagery, USGS terrain data, as well as some OpenStreetMap information. Now, the trick I wanted to show you is that by default, when you first download a model, it's going to bring you in a Bing image that might not be so great. There's a quick and easy setting that you can change that will allow you to adjust the quality without having to search out for new data. So what we're going to do is come up to our data sources, and on our data sources we're going to find imagery. From there, all we need to do is right-click to configure that imagery, and we'll see the information about our raster. So this is the aerial photo that was brought in from Bing. Now, if we change to the raster tab and go all the way down to the bottom, we can see our Bing map tile level. So by default, it's set to 17 as a ground resolution of 1.1943 meters per pixel. I can actually crank that all the way up to a 19, which is going to be a ground resolution of 0.2986 meters per pixel. This is going to create a huge difference in the quality. Now, be warned, this is going to take hours to do, so do not do this in the middle of the day. It's best to do this at the end of the day, hit OK, and then come back in the morning, and it's probably going to be loaded by then. Now, through some editing magic, we can see that this new aerial photo has loaded, and the graphics are much, much clearer. I can actually read the numbers down on the football field, and I can see the detail and even see little baseball players on the field. So it's a quick little tip that you can do. It doesn't take much to do, just a little bit of processing time, and that quality that you're going to get is going to be greatly enhanced, which is going to have a huge impact on how nice your model looks.